be making my famous Jello sculptor. Now some life hacks on making sculptor. You will need a knife, a very sharp knife, ice cream scoop, and that's it. We are going to start by cutting the Jello. This is part of the video, the satisfying part. Look at how satisfying that is. Look at it. Just look at how satisfying. Randolphio is master at Jello. Now we cut into lots of thin slices. Now we have the pieces we need to make the sculptor. Now first, we stack Jello on top of each other's, like so. And then we sculpt it. And when we're sculpting, we stack on top of each other, and when we're stacking on top of each other, we finally sculpt it. Look at my face now. This is the face of a man that is happy. Now you might be wondering, what do we do with ice cream scoop? Well, what we do with the ice cream scoop is we mash it together until we finally have the sculpture. Now this is the sculptor. It is made of Jello. And you may be wondering, Randolphio, what do you do with the leftovers? The funny thing about that is, now we make the mashed potatoes. You want to use the finest of equipment. Oh yeah. Very fine. Now we remove the walls. Oop. Hello. And we use the walls. It's more part of mashed potato. This is so exciting. I've never made mashed potatoes before. Some people say you need to use things called potatoes, but I do not believe in that. Randolphio is connoisseur of everything. Let me get more butter for mashed potato. The mashed potatoes are almost complete. Now we remove the towel that was in the mashed potatoes. If you didn't know about Jello, you thought that when you're mixing, the towel appears naturally. I want you to post in the comment section, how many times do you think Randolphio has had diabetes?